Echoes fade, but hearts remain, drifting slow in silver chains, weightless souls in endless skies, born again where darkness dies. Photon rain fall on me, wash away what used to be. In your shimmer I remain, alive again in photon rain. Static clouds and trembling air whisper things that weren't there. Time dissolves in spectral streams, turning memories into dreams. Let the past subside in glow. Every wound begins to close, falling fast but feeling free. Light becomes my remedy.